one of our education birds. One of our education birds. So they go from nursing homes to preschools and kind of everywhere in between. It's pretty amazing. It's really great to be able to get this up close to birds like this, because usually we see them off in some far away tree and or soaring through the skies. All of a sudden it's like, was that a hawk? Yeah, it was. So this is a red-tailed hawk. Red-tailed hawk. But it looks much redder when it's up soaring around in the sky and the sun shines through that tail. What do you think?